Imagine a beautiful girl sitting in a spaceship, sipping coffee, 4K wide angle. Wow! Look at this! Fancy, isn't it? Guys, do you know there is an app with which you can create some absolutely extraordinary images just by giving a few prompts, like the one I did? That's right, I'm not even kidding. The first app that I'm going to talk about is Midjourney. But stick around as I will also talk about some other free apps to create some absolute AI magic. What do you say? Let's start. Midjourney. Now for those who don't know, Midjourney is an AI tool that creates images, art, graphics based on text prompts. Yup, I'm talking about all those trending weird images that have been rolling out on your Facebook and Instagram feed. Midjourney recently has become one of the most popular tools for creating AI art, along with DALL-E and Stable Diffusion. Now let me show you how to get started with Midjourney. Step 1. Join Discord and open Newbies channel. To start with, you will need to join the official Discord channel of Midjourney. Now guys, as it opens on a new window, proceed to the Newbies room. Step 2. Select Imagine command and type prompt. Continue to select or type /imagine in the space to choose the command to create an image. After selecting it, type the prompt with clear instructions about the image and hit enter. Step 3. Edit and improve created image. You can see some results in a while with some editing options. You can upscale or change the model versions with the buttons provided under the image, which are U1, U2, U3, U4 and V1, V2, V3 and V4. Step 4. Select the image to save. Now select the image that you have created to save. As it leads to a new pop-up window, select Open in Browser to lead to another window. Step 5. Save AI image successfully. As it opens on a window, right-click on the image and select Save Image As to browse the location where you want to save the image. Now guys, let's dive even deeper into the fascinating world of prompts when it comes to using the incredible Midjourney bot. These prompts can range from basic, like a single word or phrase, to more advanced ones that include image URLs, multiple text phrases, and even parameters. As Shah Rukh sir said in Chennai Express, don't underestimate the power of a common man, the same way you can't underestimate the power of a well-crafted prompt. It holds the key to generating amazing images, so many of them as you've already seen. Now, the length of your prompt plays a crucial role in shaping the final result. Single words rely heavily on Midjourney's default style, but if you want a unique look, a more descriptive prompt is the way to go forward. But hey, don't go overboard with super long prompts. Focus on the main concepts that you want to bring to life and let Midjourney work its magic. Now let's talk about what you want versus what you don't want. It's always better to describe what you desire rather than what you wish to exclude. Trust me on this one, folks. If you ask for a party with no cake, chances are you'll end up with a cake in your image. But fear not, you can use the advanced no parameter to ensure certain objects don't appear in your image. Details, my friend, details. They can make all the difference. Anything left unsaid may just surprise you, so it's crucial to be as specific or vague as you want. But remember, the more specific you are, the better chance you have of getting exactly what you envision. Think about the subject, whether it's a person, an animal, a location, or an object, and consider the medium, be it a photo, a painting, or even a doodle. Don't forget to set the scene with details like indoor, outdoor, or underwater environments. Oh, and let's not neglect the lighting. Whether it's soft, neon, or ambient, it adds a whole new dimension. And why not sprinkle in some colors to set the mood? Think monochromatic, vibrant, muted, or pastel. Last but not the least, consider the composition. Portrait, headshot, close-up, or wide angle. All these choices can shape your creative masterpiece. You see this super cool image of Tom Cruise riding a bike in Mumbai? Let me tell you what I typed in. /imagine. Tom Cruise riding bike, Mumbai street, Indian clothes and accessories, 4K, high quality, futuristic. And voila, just take a look at how cool the image is looking. Hey guys, by the way, did you know that you can upload any image on Midjourney and turn it into anything that you want up to a certain level? So let me tell you what I did. I clicked a picture of my really good friend Simran, and then these are the prompts that I typed into Midjourney. /imagine, create a baby version of the image, cinematic still, hyper detailed, super realistic, dramatic lighting, cinematic, fantasy, photography. And voila! Look at the image that I got. Super cute, isn't it? Now, this was all about Midjourney. But do you know there are some alternate art generator tools as well? Yes, one of them is Gencraft. Gencraft is a free text-to-image generator tool that, just like Midjourney, brings your ideas to life using some text-based prompts. So, from professional designers to amateur creators, everyone can make the most of this tool. Just provide an image description of up to 250 characters and you're done. But the best thing about Gencraft is its ability to choose from 30 different styles for the generated images. These styles can vary from cartoon, 3D and anime to more unique options such as cyberpunk, cosmic, mystical and realistic as well. Fabulous, isn't it? Now let me show you an example. The prompt that I'm typing in, a duck in supermarket. And just look at the results. Now another alternate AI art generator tool is BlueWillow. BlueWillow AI uses advanced AI algorithms to generate images based on your input prompts. Again, this one also has a user-friendly interface and multiple AI models to choose from. It is free for the first 25 attempts and after that, you need to buy a plan. Now here, you can join the tool through a beta link that leads to Discord. And after joining, you need to type imagine followed by a prompt. The image generation process will generally take a couple of seconds and you can improve the result using upsampling and creating variations. Time to show you the magic. I'm typing in this prompt. A scared astronaut, big eyes, open mouth, headshot. And just check out the result, guys. I mean, literally looks as cool as a real photograph. So let your creativity flow and let Midjourney or any other AI art generator tool bring your visions to life in ways that will leave you in absolute awe. Do share your thoughts with us and keep watching this space for more such super fun and helpful content.